Hello, Casali, how are you?
Hi, teacher. I'm fine. Thanks. And you?
Good, Casali, fine too. So, Casali, please tell me, how was your weekend?
It was good.
Good. Okay, Casali. What did you do, please?
Mm, I did the laundry and I did some project.
Excellent, Casali. You didn't go out?
No,
No? Very good, Casali. Good, Casali. Casali, and what about today? How was your working day today?
it was fine.
Fine, okay. Was it relaxing, stressing,
Mhm.
or so much work, on no work at all?
Mm, um, I don't know.
I don't know,
Enough work.
enough work. Okay, okay, Casali, very good. Okay. Good, Casali, very good. Okay, so let's continue, Casali, with our study and practice of Unit 3. I'm going to share the link to the board, okay? That is, okay. And let's see, okay, this one, Casali, okay? Okay, it is one, okay? This is today, March 25th, okay, 2024. And the goal is to continue and practice, okay, the content for Unit 3. For example, Casali, okay? It says how wide, okay? It says, look at the pictures. Complete each question with how plus adjective. Then write the answers. For example, I will read. It says, how wide are the cone falls on the Mekong River? They are 10.8 kilometers wide, okay? And here we have the drawing, okay? Kilometers, 10.8 cone falls, okay? It says, is the Amazon rainforest? Amazon is a 4 million square kilometers, okay? Says, can it get an in Antarctica? Antarctica, it says, lowest temperature minus 89.2 centigrades. Is the Mississippi River? It says five, five. Well, I don't see where wait. Ah, yes, it's 5,971 kilometers. Okay, the Mississippi River. Fourth, number two, it says Amazon 4 million square kilometers. I'll do that, okay? It says how large, how large is the Amazon rainforest? Okay, and the answer it's very easy. Here it's 4 million square kilometers. Okay. What is number three? Can it get in Antarctica? Exactly, Casali. Very good. Very good. Good. Exactly. Perfect. It can get exactly fair. Very good. It says, is the Mississippi River? Very good. Exactly, Fran. Exactly, Quetzalí. Perfect, perfect. Okay, Quetzalí. I will read the question and then you tell me the answer, okay? Exactly. It says, how wide are the corn falls on the Mekong River?
They are 10.8 kilometers wide.
Excellent. It says here, here. How large, no? How large
Yes.
is the Amazon rainforest?
It's 4 million square kilometers.
Good. How cold can it get in Antarctica?
It can get minus 89.2
Centigrade.
Celsius grade.
Celsius grade, very good, okay. How long is the Mississippi River?
It's 5,971 kilometers long.
Excellent. Okay, so here it says, discover New Zealand. Write how questions based on the guidebook page. Then answer the questions. For example, question one is how big is the North Island? It's 115,777 square kilometers. Yes, explore North Island, okay, is square kilometers. Yes, number two, go rafting on New Zealand's longest river, the Waikato River, 425 kilometers long. See an active volcano, Mount Rapeu, 2,787 meters high. Visit South Island, 450 kilometers wide. Climb New Zealand's highest mountain, Mount Cook, 3,754 meters high. It says sail on New Zealand's deepest lake, Lake Hauruku, 462 meters deep. Visit the deepest caves at Ellis Basin, over 1,000 meters deep. For example, number two, is go rafting on New Zealand's longest rivers. Okay, well, that one is how long? How long is the Wal Waikato River? Okay, how long is the Waikato River? Okay, and here it says it's 425 kilometers long. Está aquí, please continue with the others, please. Very
Okay.
good. Good, 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 good. The mountain is Mount Ropeu, no? 2,797 meters high. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Exactly, exactly. Very good. So let's see. Okay, I will read the question and you tell me the answer. Okay, let's practice pronunciation. It says, "How big is the North Island?"
It's a 150
One
one.
hundred 115,000.
Okay, 115,000
Very good.
70 777 square kilometers.
There. Okay. How long is the Waikato River?
It's 425 kilometers long.
Very good. How high is the Mount Ruapeo?
It's 2,797 meters high.
Good. How wide is the South Island?
It's 450 kilometers high.
Good. How high is the highest mountain in New Zealand?
It's the 3,000
Good.
754 meters high.
Good. How deep is the deepest lake in New Zealand?
It's 462 meters deep.
Very good. How deep are the Ellis Basin caves?
They are over 1,000 meters deep.
Exactly. Very good, Casari. Perfect. Here, Casari, lesson C says, I had the best time. Says, really? Complete the conversation with the sentences in the box. Look at the possibilities. It really was. It sure does. It sure is. Really? I didn't know that. They really are. We really should. Yeah, it really is. For example, we read the first. It says, I think Hawaii is one of the most interesting states in the US. Yeah, it really is. You know, more than one third of the world's pineapples are from Hawaii. Really? I didn't know that. I know it has some of the best surfing in the world. Tough. They get some of the highest waves there. And do you know all islands are volcanoes? I guess repeat number two. Mount Sorak.
Mount, Mount Sorak in South Korea is so beautiful, especially in the fall. I love it there. Have you ever gone hiking there? Mm-hmm. I've hiked there several times with my friends. Yeah, the waterfalls are the best. Yeah.
Yeah. It says the weather was terrible last weekend. I wanted to go to the beach, but it was too cold. So what do you do? Well, I stayed home and watched movies. Yeah? Well, I had next weekend is going to be warm and sunny. We should go to the beach then. Let's plan on going then. For example, it says, really, I didn't know that. I know it has some of the best surfing in the world. Tough. And then Mark says, yeah, sorry, it sure does. Okay, it sure does. Make it bigger. Okay, it sure does. Okay. They get some of the highest waves there. And do you know all 8 islands are volcanoes? Okay, so let's skip out to this one. Okay, this one, yeah, it really is. And it sure does. Okay. Okay, so can you continue with the other, please?
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Excellent, excellent. Very good. Okay, let's practice. Okay, I am Daniel and you are Mark. Okay, I think Hawaii is one of the most interesting states in the US.
Yeah, it really is. You know, more than one third of world's pineapples are from Hawaii.
Really? I didn't know that. I know it has some of the best surfing in the world of
It sure does. They get some of the highest waves there. And did you know all 8 islands are volcanoes?
volcanoes.
Volcanoes?
Good. Montserrat in South Korea is so beautiful, especially in the fall.
It sure is. I love it there. Have you ever gone hiking there?
I've hiked there several times with my friends.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, the waterfalls are the best.
Yeah, they really are.
Good. The weather was terrible last weekend.
It really was. I wanted to go to the beach, but it was too cold.
So what do you do?
Well, I stayed home and watched movies.
Yeah? Well, I heard next weekend is going to be warm and sunny. We should go to the beach then.
We really should. Let's plan on going then.
Very good, Casali. Here, Casali, the best and the worst. Okay? So complete the conversations with superlative adjectives for emphasis. For example, Chichen Itza in Mexico has the coolest Mayan ruins. Have you ever been there? Yeah, I had good time at the pyramids. Number two, the food at the restaurant was bad. I know, but at least the waiter was nice. How was your weekend? Wonderful. We went to incredible lake and rented a boat. We just sailed around for hours. Have you ever hiked the Appalachian Trail? No, I haven't. But I heard it has amazing scenery. For example, here. Yeah, I had super easy. The best time. I had the best time at the pyramids. Okay. Okay, good. We will continue with the others. Good. Very good. Excellent, excellent. Very good. Okay, so let's see. It says Chichen Itza in Mexico has the coolest Mayan ruins. Have you ever been there?
Yeah, I had the best time at the pyramids.
Pyramids. Pyramids. Very good.
Pyramids.
The food at that restaurant was the worst.
I know, but at least the waiter was nice.
Good. How was your weekend?
Wonderful. We went to the most incredible lake and rented a boat. We just sailed around for hours.
Have you ever hiked the Appalachian Trail?
No, I haven't, but I hear it has the most amazing scenery.
Excellent, excellent. Good. Look at this. It really is the best. Okay, so you're camping with your friend. Write responses with really or sure to show you are a supportive listener. Then add a sentence using a superlative adjective for emphasis. For example, it feels really good to be on vacation. It sure does. And camping was the coolest idea. Our hike yesterday was great. Okay. We should go swimming in the lake today. It's so nice to be in your country. Okay, so please write a response using really or sure and then complete the idea. Okay. For example, our hike yesterday was great. Because it really was. Okay. It really was. For example. Very good. Very good. Okay, so let's practice reading. Okay, it says, it feels really good to be on vacation.
It sure does, and camping was the coolest idea.
Very good. Or hi, yesterday was great.
It really was. That was the most beautiful scenery.
Very good. Scenery, scenery,
Scenery.
scenery, scenery.
Scenery.
Very good. We should go swimming in the lake today.
We really should. The lake is the best place for this hot day.
Wonderful. It's so nice to be in the country.
It really is. The country has the coolest activities.
Very good. Good. Luis, what is about you? It says, write true sentences about your last vacation or trip. Use superlative adjectives for emphasis. For example, I went to Costa Rica last year and they have the most amazing beaches. I stayed, I saw, I met, I ate, I visited. I will write one more because let me allow me write one more. For example, we can say number 7, it says I did. Okay, I did. Very good. For example, okay. So remember, you have to use superlatives in order to emphasize the idea, actually. Very good. Okay. But we're going to say, I stay at the most expensive hotel, or I stay at the most wonderful hostel, okay, in the town. I don't know. Okay. Very good. I stay with my family friends. They have the most incredible mountains behind their house. Okay, good, good, good. Very good. Good. Eso es the coolest thing in a cactus. There was a woodpecker. Very good.
How do you say la amiga más antigua?
Ah, yeah, because the eldest friend, or you can say the the my sister's, por example, my sister's eldest friend. I met my sister's eldest friend, la amiga más antigua. Very good. Let's make it my sister's eldest friend. My sister's eldest friend. My sister. Good. This.
Don't teacher.
Excellent, Casayo. So let's read. Okay, it says, I went to Costa Rica last year. They have the most amazing beaches.
I stayed with my family friends. They have the most incredible mountain behind their house.
Good. I saw the coolest thing in a cactus. There was a woodpecker. Good.
I met my sister's eldest friend. She
Okay.
was really happy.
I ate the best jam. Okay, it was really delicious.
I visited the biggest virgin in the world.
Ah, I visited the biggest, en inglés le llaman así, mira, le llaman the biggest holy lady.
Okay. Yes.
Es la Virgen de Guadalupe, ¿no? ¿Está bien?
Yes.
Very good, yes. I visited the biggest holy lady in the world. Very good. And number seven, please.
I did the longest walk.
Very good. Good. Okay, look at letter D. Is that a fact? It says the coldest continent. It says, look at the topics below. Then read the article and write the number of the paragraph where the topic is explained in detail. For example, the driest weather, the most time zones, the smallest population, the farthest south. Because I think the next, the
The strongest winds, the
good,
most ice, the
good,
most daylight,
very
and
good.
the coldest temperature.
Okay, let's read. For example, it says, I will start. Amazing Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. It's the fifth largest of the world's seven continents. A layer of ice almost 5 kilometers, 3 miles thick covers the island in some places. In fact, 90% of the world's ice is in Antarctica. Sorry, number two, the weather
The weather in Antarctica is the coldest in E- Earth
on Earth, no? On
on
Earth.
Earth.
Good,
Yes. The lowest temperature ever recorded minus 89.2 degrees Celsius,
good.
minus 128.6
28, good,
degrees Fahrenheit.
good,
Was in 1983 at the Vostok station,
good.
an old Russian search base,
Research, research base,
research base
good,
at the south of at the South Pole. The temperature varies
very good,
from minus 35 degrees
good,
Celsius,
good,
minus 31 degrees Fahrenheit in
good,
the midsummer
good,
to minus 70 degrees Celsius,
good.
minus 94 degrees Fahrenheit in the midwinter.
Good. Antarctica is not only the world's coldest continent, but also the driest place on Earth. Sometimes called the world's largest desert. It gets about the same amount of rain each year as the Sahara. Antarctic winds are the strongest on the planet, reaching up to 320 kilometers, 189 miles per hour. 320 kilometers? Wow, that's super strong, okay? Okay, so number four, located.
Located at the South Pole, Antarctica is the farthest south of any continent. The South Pole gets 6 months of non-stop daylight from September to March. Then it gets 6 months of non-stop darkness. And because it's so far south, Antarctica covers the most time zones, all of them.
Wow. Explorers first visited Antarctica in 1821. Then in 1899, a Norwegian explorer set up a research station in Antarctica. And for the first time, people could live there. Now there are about 60 research bases there, set up by many different countries. The population of Antarctica grows from about 1,000 in the winter to about 4,000 during the summer. It has the smallest population of any continent. Because let's match okay the topics okay with the paragraphs. For example, it says number three is the driest weather. Okay, and it's true. For example, I'm going to tell you number one. Okay, number one, Casari, is this one. Okay, this one is the most ice. This is number one, for example. Okay, number
Okay.
one, the most ice. Okay, okay, good. Because it says a layer of ice almost 5 kilometers. Okay, 3 miles sticks cover the island. What do you think is paragraph two? The idea for paragraph two, Casari.
Um, temperatures, the coldest temperatures.
Exactly, that is number two, the coldest temperature. Very good. Number three is here, the driest weather. Okay. Well, Casali,
Uh,
number four. Okay, number four. This
mm,
one,
the most daylight.
the most daylight. Mm, um, well, it's possible, okay, let's mark it, okay, very good. I was number five.
Mm, the smallest population.
That's my population, okay, very good. I'm going to say, what about this one? The most time zones. Which paragraph speaks about the most time zones?
Number four.
Number four, very good. And also, Casali, I think number four is also for the farthest south. No? And because it's, yes, so far south, Antarctica covers. Exactly. Also number
Yes.
four. And the strongest winds, Casali.
Number three.
Number three. Exactly. Very good, Casali. Perfect. Okay. So let's continue. Read the article again, write true or false for each sentence. Then correct the false sentence. For example, Antarctica is the world's seventh largest continent. That's false. It's the fifth largest continent. Antarctica has 90% of the world's ice. Antarctica gets more rain than the Sahara Desert. Antarctica's 6 months of non-stop daylight begins in March. About 1,000 people live in Antarctica during the summer. First question, number two, Antarctica has 90% of the world's ice. True or false?
It's true.
It's true, exactly. Very good. One number three, Antarctica gets more rain than the Sahara Desert.
It's false.
It's false, very good. And the correct is, I think, is the same amount, ¿no? La misma cantidad, I think, ¿no? Let me see.
Yes.
¿No? The same amount, exactly, the same amount of rain. Very good. Antarctica's 6 months of non-stop day begins in March.
No, false. It ends in March.
Exactly.
March.
And ends in March. Very good. About 1,000 people live in Antarctica during the summer.
Mm, it's false.
It's false, okay?
Yes. During the winter.
During the winter, exactly. Good, Casali. Perfect, Casali. Okay, Casali. So let me, Casali, before we go, Casali, please tell me, what are you going to do after class, Casali? What plans do you have for today? After class,
Mm,
obviously.
I don't know.
Are you going to
I
rest? Are you going to read? Are you going to watch a movie? Are you going to cook? Are you going to do
mm,
housework? I don't know.
I am going to rest.
Very good, Casali. Good. And Casali, are you planning to have dinner tonight?
Uh, yes.
Wonderful. What are you going to have for dinner, Casali?
Uh, I don't know yet, but
What is your what did you crave for, Casali? What do you crave for? Eso es, ¿qué se te antoja? ¿Qué, qué se te apetece? What do you crave for, Casali?
Eh, maybe maybe a piece of bread
Very good.
or cereal or I don't know.
Okay. What about Casali, some pizza?
Mm, yes, maybe.
Excellent, Casali. Very good. Okay, Casali, from the activities we were practicing today, Casali, do you have any questions? Any problems about
Mm,
them?
no.
No? Very good, Casali. Okay, so let me check, Casali, your progress on Recreo. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to share my screen before we go. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's share. Very good. Okay. It's okay. This is from last week. Okay. Okay. And uh, I prepared for this week study from March 25 to March 29, a revision of simple past and past continuous for you. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to need to finish this week. Okay, which is good. Okay. And
Okay.
and then we will do this revision. Okay. Let me see your topics. Okay.
Okay.
Everything is green. I think what the question is a topic that is in progress of being learned. It's good. I think you don't have any red topics, Casali. No, everything is great, Casali. Very good. Excellent, Casali. Okay. So see you tomorrow, Casali. Have a great afternoon. Please take care, Casali, and relax, okay?
Yes, see you, teacher. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Casali. Take care. Thank you. Thank you very much.